Hi, today I'm sharing a closer look with you guys of these little cute paper clips, notebook clips, and I feel like I share all the time with you guys where I get them from, but yet I tend to get quite a few little questions asking. They have a warm little vintage look and feel to them, and well, what's not to love, right? So let's just jump right in. I'm Tammy Inman, so thank you guys for joining me here at A Peach Life. And these are the little favorite paper clips that I just love and use all the time. So let me tell you just a little bit about them. They come only on the Starbucks Reserve bags. So a lot of times people say, I never see them on the coffee bags. They're only on Starbucks Reserve bags. And not all locations carry the Starbucks Reserve bags, and sometimes they're very limited, so you won't see them in a mass amount like you do the other Starbucks bags. And they all have the little clip with where they're from. They're always different locations, and they can vary from time to time. They change that around and from seasons. And then on the back, it tells you like the little flavor notes and things about production of them, processing, roast level, all of that. And you can also scan the barcode, the QR code for more information. They're like a nice little thick quality. They're embossed and they have gold foil and they all look different. So they're really cute to use also in like art journaling, smash books or junk journals and things like that. They're also really cute for bookmarkers in your books you're reading. So I really love them. And they only come in whole bean, so you know. This is what the bag looks like. So I wanted to share that with you guys because I know some of you say you can't find them, but they'll always come with a little card with a clip on it. And so I have my little clips. I have many more. They're all clipped onto a little something. This is my everyday carry, traveler's little passport. This is my watercolor notebook. So they're wonderful for so much. And they're sort of complimentary. Even though you're paying for your coffee. So let me give you a good little tip on the coffee beans. So the Starbucks Reserve, the coffee beans are 300 points at Starbucks. And I believe all their coffee beans are 300 points. So usually a drink or an item is 400 points. But they give you that little extra break of 100 points less to get people to try the beans and a little incentive. So instead of your 400 points, they're 300, and it's a great deal, 300 points for a whole bag of their specialty reserve beans. And bonus, you get a super cute clip for any of your little traveler's notebooks or your Hobonichi, your watercolors, whatever you want to do to clip those back. So I wanted to share that little information with you guys. I get those questions, and now moving forward, if anyone asks, I can also share this video with them. But I love them. They're just one of my favorite little items. And I love to obviously use things from other stuff for other purposes when possible. So again, like little bookmarks, the nice little quality is cute. I love to add them to my art journals. And sometimes I even just take it and for inspiration and tuck it into my little notebook, or in here, my everyday carry. I might put it in for a little divide, a little divide right there. There's just so much little purpose for them. And some of them you might even love even more than others of the design on them. So lastly, if it's also a Starbucks location that serves the Reserve, you'll be able to try them before you purchase your bag. So, and I think when you want to purchase the bag, they are if you don't use points, $19 if you don't use points here in the US. Okay, so thank you guys for joining me. As always, if you have any questions, I answer everything. If there's something you liked in this video, give that a like button. I'd love for you to subscribe and follow along with me. And I also, moving forward, want to make sure that I always have a video out for you guys on Sunday morning. I thought it's a nice way to wake up too. I love to watch videos on Sunday morning with a little tea or coffee for a brief little time. So I just wanted you to know that Sunday mornings and throughout the week there'll be videos, but always a new video for you on Sunday mornings. Thanks so much for joining me.